Hello. Hey everyone, thank you for being here. So I'm here today to share about my research on a special class of materials called Auxetics. So if you take any conventional material like steel, aluminium, or a sheet of natural rubber, and if you pull it apart, it extends in that direction, but it becomes thinner in the other direction. But there are other class of materials where when you pull them apart, they extend in that direction, but they expand in the perpendicular direction. So these kind of materials are called auxetics. So to put this into perspective, if you ordered a pizza, medium-sized pizza with a thin medium-sized pizza and made of auxetic, and if you pull it apart, it becomes a large, thick-sized pizza, deep dish pizza. So basically, these materials, when you pull them apart, they expand in all directions. So that's their main advantage. So how do they, as engineers, we ask this question, but how do they get this behavior? This has to do with their microstructural geometry, as you can see there. What do I mean by that is, if you take any auxetic material, and if you look close enough, it's basically a periodic array of microstructures together. I call it a building block, which is very similar to Lego, where you take Lego blocks, you combine them together, and you make a structure out of it. So we ask this question, but why do we want to design these structures? We want to design these structures because of their improved mechanical properties, like high impact resistance. What do I mean by that is, if you take an auxetic material, and if you hit it with a hammer, it has a higher resistance than any other conventional material like steel. Because of this property, it can be used in various applications like protective body armors, bike helmets, and other sport equipment. So then we ask this question, how can we design these structures? So in literature, people have come up with various numerical algorithms to come up. So these are time consuming, and they are very hard to understand or teach others how to design them. So here we proposed an alternate design framework that can design these structures just by using pen and paper. Just by following few simple guidelines, just using pen and paper, the designs you see there, I came up with those building blocks in less than 5 minutes, which is awesome from perspective of designing. So, and I've also shown you the other an example of it. So with that, we reduced the complexity of design, and looking forward to see auxetics in future and pizzas made out of them. Thank you.